putting a lot of money into SAC and upgrading the facility. They're trying to get some of the Olympic trial events back again. It's a nice facility. They just need to update those bleachers. Doing this one? Yeah. Oop. That's going to be quiet. That's all right.
On the inside, 14, leading off with Alexandria Stewart and Kayla Goofy, handing off to Emily Cooper for Long Beach. And the exchange made with the 49ers in the lead. Here comes Fullerton. This is Ashley Sims with the baton for the Titans. And Sims will give over to Katie Wilson. And a less than perfect exchange for the Titans, and Long Beach on the outside. This is Alex Struthers, and Xavier Wright will anchor for Long Beach State. Fullerton will come with Destiny Brown. That is a new meet record under the old record, 45-85.